It goes to Immobiliser on a BMW X5 2019. So a thief copied the key, got in, went to steal the vehicle. When they put it in gear, you can see the car cut out, so they're unable to drive it away. What the customer's got to do, start the vehicle up, go through a code of their choosing. So for now we've done 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll get a double flash. And now we can drive the vehicle. Once it's in your push sequence, the system's disarmed. If the customer wants to take it for a service, take it back to BMW, obviously don't want to give them the code. What they'll do is disarm the system first, then go to the traction control button, press it 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll get 5 flashes. On the BMW, we get this warning letting them know that they put it in service mode, system's inactive. And now, when BMW get the vehicle, obviously just give them this key, they'll start it up, it'll go into gear straight away like it's a normal vehicle, system's in service mode, the ghost is turned off. When you get it back, what you have to do, get the ignition on, so triple tap. Oh, we'll just do that again, 1, 2, 3. Get the ignition on without starting, so foot off the brake, then pop your code in. Get your double flash as usual, and the system's active. So now you're home, turn the vehicle off, start it back up, give it a test without your code, cuts out, confirming you've taken it out of service mode. This is the Ghost 2, give us a call on 0208 212 7393 to get one fitted on your vehicle. This is a 2019 BMW X5. Thanks for watching.